78th, 11th century. So how many hundred years? This morning I've been reading about the history of this place. Okay guys, I will show you the ruins of Roche Abbey. Yeah, this place has lots of history. Imagine it was built in 1138 or 1178, 11th century. So how many hundred years? This morning I've been reading about the history of this place. And first I think there were 10 or 8 monks that lived here, and then there were, after that there were 50 or 80. Look. Yeah, it's one of the English heritage, guys. That's the good thing here, because they always preserve the ruins. Look, oh. Let me just read it. I don't have my glasses. Oh, I cannot read. I don't think that we can go inside. Look at this place. Oh, I think we cannot touch these ruins. I think because it's fence. So 1100s, and it's 20th century now. Is it 1,000 years? I'm not good at numbers. Look. There are lots of ruins here in the UK, and they preserve it, so you can always go there and visit. And then also, it's the same as there's one near York. Cannot remember the name of the abbey. This guy. Imagine the rocks there way back in 11th century. It's like loads of caves here, guys. Look, got the big rocks there. Oh yeah, we're not allowed to go inside. We cannot go inside, guys. Just take pictures there. But it's surrounded with these big rocks, oh. Can you see that? I need to do. Oh, there's only workers there that can go inside, but I don't think I can take a picture. I want to go inside there. My dog is here, look. He's also with us. He likes walking. Yeah, that's the Roche Abbey. Bye! Can you hold this video cam, please, so that I can talk to my friends. Yeah, that's the Roche Abbey. I think it's just, who are those people there? Are the workers? Oh, we can go inside. Oh, really? Why you? Hi everyone. The ruins of the Roche Abbey. Roche Abbey was built in 11th century, and that's all I know. The rest is history. Oh dear. Why are we going inside? We have to go.
Why? No different to being here.
Yeah, I'll take a picture. How much is it?
I don't know, it could be about £5.
My husband is so tight, guys. He don't want to pay 5.
But you've got no different view in there than here.
Because it's ruins and we can all see outside anyway. Okay, it's cold today, guys. Earlier it was sunny and nice and I thought that it's warm, but now it's cloudy. So tell the history, Pai. Come on, you're from
I don't know the history of it.
Oh dear. But you see the monks live here, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the monks live here in 11th century. Monks, and they called it, is it play brother? What's play brother? Yeah. Oh, I read something this morning. What's that building there? I think there is it a river
When we were
somewhere?
kids, we sneaked in. We came up from that road there, across this field, got in.
Oh, see?
But there was all like cow poo everywhere. It's like you just kept treading in cow poo.
Yeah, this place is massive, guys. Look. I will show you the picture of this abbey before. I think I can do a bit of research about this. Yeah, it's massive, this place. Yeah, there's few visitors. This guys, look. I did not realize.
It's really big.
Yeah, it's massive. Look at the place. Oh, there is. I don't know if you've been to that one in near York by Ripon. It's also big. It's called. Is it Fountain Abbey? Yeah, next time, guys, I might take you to that one that I went there a few years ago. I visited the place few years ago. Look how big, oh. I think there is that a man-made lake. Is that a lake or a river or something?
I don't know, it looks like it's got.
Yeah, there is water here. Look. Oh, see, go to the day. Yeah, Roche Abbey is one of the English heritage. It might be man-made, this, look. Because usually, many years ago, they always, 100 years ago, they always make a man-made lake or man-made river. Yeah, this place, guys, is massive. Is he still hurting his leg?
Left right leg.
Yeah, this place, guys, is massive. Is he still hurting his leg?
Left right leg.